Let me be honest, most people will start a business in 2026 and they will make zero money. Not because they are dumb, but because they start in the wrong order. They spend weeks on a logo, a name, Instagram posts, and then they launch and realize nobody cares. So, in this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step plan to start a profitable business in 2026. Without needing a big budget, without being famous, and without overthinking for months. And yes, you can actually start this in the next 7 days. If we've never met, my name is Jacob, I run a marketing agency, and my job is literally to get clients for businesses. I've worked with different markets, different countries, and different type of clients. And I've seen one thing again and again. Businesses don't fail because their idea is bad. They fail because they don't know how to get attention, leads, and sales. So I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to give you a real plan that works. So let's start. Step 1. Stop starting like a beginner. Most beginners start like this: name, logo, website, Instagram, business cards, and I'm building my account. And then after 2 months, they still have no customers. So here is the correct order if you want profit: customer, program, offer, lead system, then brand. Because profit comes from one thing: solving a real problem that someone will pay for. Your logo does not solve a problem. Your color palette does not solve a problem. Your TikTok bio does not solve a problem. So from now on, everything we do is focused on one thing: getting someone to pay. And step 2, choose what to sell, but don't guess. Most people ask, what business should I start? And that question is already the problem, because it means you want a perfect idea before you take action. And the truth is, you don't need a perfect idea. You need a proof that people already buy something. So here's what I want you to do. Rule number 1, pick a market where people already spend money. If people already pay for something, it means the program is real. Examples: getting more customers, for example, marketing, sales, lead generation, saving time, automatization systems, assistance, making more money, business help, recruiting, looking better, fitness, beauty, feeling better, for example, health. And rule number 2, pick a problem that hurts. If the program is small, people don't pay fast. If the program is painful, people pay quickly. So pain equals speed. If someone is losing money every month, they don't need 2 months to decide. They decide fast. Rule number 3, make sure you can charge enough. This part is so important and people ignore it. If you sell something with low profit, you will struggle forever. So choose something where you can make good profit margin, because you will need money for ads, tools, or even just your time. Step 3, one person, one problem, one clear promise. Here is the biggest mistake I see. People try to sell to everyone. They say, I help businesses grow, or I do marketing for everyone. That means nothing. In 2026, if your message is not clear, you will get ignored. So this is what you need. One customer type. Not everyone, pick one type. For example, dentists, real estate agents, gym owners, solar companies, small e-commerce brands, or local restaurants. Next one clear problem. For example, I bring you 20 booked cars per month. I help you hire salespeople. I help you get more Google reviews. I help you sell your service with cold email or cold calls. So next one is one simple promise. You can use this sentence template. I help you get result in time without big penny. Example, I help gym owners get 15 new members in 30 days without spending money on random ads. That's clear, that's understandable, that gets attention. Okay, step 4, bullet a simple MVP that can sell. Now listen, most people over-bullet. They think, I need an app, I need a big website, I need a full product. No, you need an MVP that gets leads and sales. In 2026, the best MVP is simple. One landing page or even just a Google Doc. one clear offer, or one way to connect you, or one way to collect leads. That's it. Your goal is not to look big. Your goal is to test if people will pay. And this is also important. You can sell before everything is perfect. If someone wants the result, they don't care if your business is fully buried. In fact, the fastest businesses grow because they start messy. They sell first, then they improve. Okay, step 5, get leads first, everything else later. The truth is, everything in business is downstream from leads. No leads, no sales. No sales, no profit. No profit, game over. So, first goal is simple. To get in front of people who might buy. You can do that in 3 main ways. Option 1, outreach fastest. Cold email, cold DM, cold calling. Most people are scared of this, but if you do it in a normal human way, it works. For example, a simple message like, hey, I saw you run a business. Quick questions. Are you currently trying to get more result? So that's it. Don't be weird and don't be pushy. Okay, option 2, content, slower but powerful. Post content that attracts the right people, but don't post random quotes. Post things like mistakes people make, case studies, simple tips, or how to do videos. Okay, option 3, paid ads. Only if your offer is tested. Do not start with ads if you don't know what converts. Ads make a bad offer fail faster. Okay, the part most people don't talk about. Cashflow. Now this is the part that kills most businesses. Cashflow. Businesses don't die because the founder is not smart. They die because money stops. So here's a rules I follow. Rule number 1, charge properly. If you charge too low, you will be stressed, tired, and stuck. You don't need 100 clients, you need a few good clients. So rule number 2, get paid fast. If a client can pay in 6 days, they can also ghost you for 6 days. So always have clear payment terms. Rule number 3, learn to say no. Saying yes to bad clients destroys your business. Some clients will waste your time, argue about money, and bring stress. Profit is not only about making money. Profit is also about protecting your time and energy. Finally, what to do this week? Okay, so here is your action plan for the next 7 days. Pick a market where people already spend money. Pick one customer type. Pick one painful problem. Write your offer in one clear sentence. Build a simple page or document and message 30 people and start conversations. That's how you start. And if you want, in the next video I can show you exactly how to get your first client even if you have no audience. If you watch it until the end, comment 2026 and tell me what business you want to start. See you in the next one.